Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. We are learning Laravel 8 framework tutorial. This is our partner 55. Inside this video, we will see all about Laravel Authentication. And inside this authentication, we will discuss about JetStream with Livewire. In the last video, we had seen the concept of authentication means Laravel authentication using Braze. So if I back to browser, so here we have another package called JetStream. So we need to install this JetStream, and by the help of JetStream we have two options available to create scaffolding for authentication. Either we can use Livewire, that is Blade templates, means it is for web application, and if we are developing web application using Vue Js, then we have the option of Inertia Js. So here inside this definition, we can see that Laravel Jetsream is a beautifully designed application scaffolding for Laravel. JetStream provides the perfect starting point for your next Laravel application that includes login, registration, email, verification, two-factor authentication, session management, API support via Laravel Sanctum, and optional team management. Also here, as we can see that JetStream is designed using Tailwind CSS and offers us choice of Livewire or Inertia scaffolding. So JetStream behind the scene uses Tailwind CSS, and it generates our authentication features like login, registration, email verification, two-factor authentication, session management, and many more. So while going through Laravel Jetsream, we have two options available. Either we can use Livewire, as we can see here, Livewire plus Bleed, and the second option we have available called Inertia Js, that is for the Vue option. So inside this video, we will discuss about Livewire. So before going into the deep of this video, if I back to slide, open a new tab. In the last video, also we had discussed this point. So in the older versions of Laravel, we have Laravel UI package for authentication scaffolding. Now we have many more packages, something called Laravel means authentication using Braze, what we had discussed inside last video, and now we have Laravel Jetsream, and inside this Jetsream we have Livewire and Inertia Js. So why we have these two packages? This is in the older version. So in the latest version of Laravel, we had the first package for authentication scaffolding, something called JetStream, which is available with Livewire and Inertia Js. But when we go and install these packages, we will see that it is more complicated other than Laravel UI. So many developers and community files complain against this authentication package that it is not actually too much comfortable to use. So give me a solution. So Taylor Otwell has released another Laravel authentication package called Laravel Braze. About this authentication package, we had seen about its scaffolding files, also we had discussed inside last two videos. So let's get started about the installation of JetStream, and we will go with Livewire. So back to browser, go here, and inside this blogging website, onlinewebtutorblog.com, here we have called Laravel 8 authentication using JetStream with Livewire. So for the basic point of view, we need to run few commands. By the help of that few commands, we are going to set first about JetStream. We are going to install JetStream via Composer. So if I scroll down, first we need to install Laravel. Already we had installed that. Next we need to install JetStream. So if I copy this command, back to terminal, here I have opened the project, and before that let's say PHP Artisan serve. Before installing, let's start our development server and check that any other authentication is available into this website or not. So as we can see that we don't have any link of login as well as registration. So we are at very fresh application. So back to terminal, close this development server, and we are going to install Composer require Laravel Jetsream package. So pressing enter. After pressing enter, we need to wait for a while because JetStream is going to install inside our Laravel application. Now as we can see that the packages and the files are installing into our Laravel application. And one more thing, already we had installed inside another Laravel setup, so that's why in our case it is loading from cache. Otherwise, in your system, if you will install for the first time, then it is going to downloading. So successfully now we have installed Laravel Jetsream to our Laravel blog website, means this is our application. So if I clear my terminal, go to the website, so back to browser, next we need to install, after installing JetStream, next we need to install our Livewire. This is going to generate our scaffolding files and features. So here we have called create auth with Livewire, and inside this we need to run this command. So I am copying that, back to terminal, press Ctrl Shift V, and I am installing, this is PHP Artisan Jetsream install Livewire. So pressing enter, again we need to wait for a while because it is installing Livewire. So as we can see, at the first step, migration created successfully. And here, as we can see that the installation process has been started, and it has installed Laravel Sanctum package as well as Livewire. So again we need to wait for a while. It is going to generate and compile all the files of JetStream, and successfully, as we can see that the installation process has been now completed. Now next we need to run npm install and npm run dev. This is the command which is going to compile all the node packages with all installed our application setup composer files. So first of all, before running our npm command, if I back to browser, go to our website. Let's first start our development server. So back to terminal, clear this screen. Let's say PHP Artisan serve. Development server has been started, and if I reload this page, now we have our database errors, and it is because actually behind the scene, as we know that the installed packages have generated some migration file. So for that we need to migrate all the pending migrations to database. So let's say that PHP Artisan simply type migrate command. So before that, if you go to editor, .env file, and inside this .env file we have our database called Laravel 8_course. This is our DB name. So back to database. So right now inside this database we don't have any table. So first of all we need to migrate, back to terminal. So PHP Artisan migrate, and as we can see that the migration process has now started, and successfully we have migrated all the migrations what we have created inside our setup. So back to browser, reload this structure. Now we have many more tables. So these all node tables are actually created by our authentication tool. These are the tables we had created inside this playlist to understand about some more different concept. Again back to terminal. Let's start our development server. Not actually migrate. PHP Artisan serve. Go and reload this page. Now as we can see that we have two links called login and register. So if we click on login, so here we have called the mixed manifest does not exist. Here we have a suggestion. Suggestion is that did you forget to run npm install and npm run dev? Obviously actually we didn't run so far. So first of all we need to run this npm install and run dev command. So back to browser, copy this command, back to terminal, close this development server, pasting this command and pressing enter. So we need to wait for a while. It is going to install node packages and compile our application. So successfully we have installed the node packages. Now it is going to compile and bootstrap our application. And one more thing guys, before installation of these packages like our JetStream, Livewire, node packages, actually your internet speed should be good because it is going to install lots of file in our application. So for that it consumes a high internet speed. Now as we can see that our bootstrapping building process has been now started. So successfully now the build has been completed. So again back terminal and let's start our development server. So PHP Artisan serve. Back here, go and reload this page. Now as we can see that this is our login page. Again go back. Here we have the registration link. So click on register. This is our register page. If you go here, click on forget your password. This is our forget password. Now let's create a dummy registration. Go back to our welcome page. This is our register page. Or simply we click on this register page. Let's register. So something, let's say Sanjay Kumar. This is a dummy name. Email 128 password 128 password. This is password, confirm password. Click on register. So successfully as we can see that we are now logged in inside this dashboard. So we had seen the functionality of register. Here we have the profile. Inside this profile we have several options enabled. We will discuss one by one inside this playlist. If we click on logout, click on login. Again if we go and pass our details called, this is our email address and password. Pressing login button and we are now logged in into the dashboard. So successfully guys, inside this video we had seen the step-by-step guide to install JetStream with Livewire to enable our scaffolding feature. In the next video we will discuss some scaffolding files which is related and generated by JetStream and Livewire package. So for now, if I back to editor, reload this structure because several files has been generated, go to app and inside this app folder we have a folder called actions. So behind the scene this is one of the folder generated while installation of our JetStream and Livewire. Again back to our resources folder, views folder, and here inside this views folder we have a auth folder and these are the files what generated. Also if you go inside this config folder, inside this config folder we have fortify.php as well as jetstream.php. So we will discuss about these scaffolding files in the next video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.